A Pyrrhic victory is a term used to describe a victory or success that comes at a significant cost or loss, to the point where the overall gain may be overshadowed by the negative consequences. The term originates from the ancient Greek military leader Pyrrhus of Epirus, who won a series of battles against the Romans in the 3rd century BC but suffered heavy casualties and losses in the process. A Pyrrhic victory implies that although someone or a group achieves their immediate objective, the price paid for it is so high that it diminishes the actual value or benefit of the victory. The term is often used metaphorically to describe situations where the long-term consequences or the cost of achieving a goal outweigh the short-term gains. For example, if a country wins a war but suffers extensive damage to its infrastructure, loses a significant portion of its population, and incurs massive financial debts, it could be considered a Pyrrhic victory. Similarly, in personal or professional contexts, achieving a goal or success at the expense of personal relationships, health, or overall well-being might also be seen as a Pyrrhic victory. In essence, a Pyrrhic victory highlights the idea that sometimes the cost of achieving success can be so high that it negates the benefits gained, leaving the victor in a weakened or vulnerable position.